This is Jacky Patterson Jr., your local associate broker in North Alabama. Today I'm going to make something very special that I love every holiday. Actually, I can eat it all the time. So this is called Vanilla Walnut Fudge. I'm going to show you step by step on how to make this delicious dessert. Okay, here are my ingredients. Sugar, that's the main ingredients. At least 3 cups of sugar. Evaporated milk, I measured it out with this baby bottle here. 5 ounces is what I use. Marshmallows and nuts. You can use any kind of nuts. I like walnuts, but it's up to your choice, whatever you want to use. So some people put a whole stick of butter. I use a half of a stick of butter. So half a stick of butter, and I'm gonna pour the sugar in, and let's go and move on to the next step. I'm gonna pour my sugar in there. This will make it good here, adding that sugar. Next, you want to carry it to your stove, set it on a low temperature setting, and you want to wait till at least you start seeing it bubble up. You want to stir it really good. Start stirring it. It takes a lot of stirring with fudge, and it has to be the right temperature. If it's not the right temperature, it will be taffy. You want to see it bubble up really good, and the way I notice it, it'll start getting hard around the edges. So when it get hard around the edges, I take it off. Also, before you get started, you might want to get you a pan and just start buttering the pan that you're going to put the fudge in, so that it won't stick to the bottom of the pan where you won't have a hard time getting it up. Now it's starting to bubble up really good, so I need to raise the temperature. I had it at a low setting, I'm setting it up to the medium. And see how it's bubbling up, just keep stirring. Then eventually you're gonna see it getting kind of thick and hard. The next step we would do is add the marshmallows. Just keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Yeah, your hand will get tired, but you're gonna love this. Sometimes I can get this done in less than 7 minutes. Sometimes it takes longer. It depends. But you just have to be patient with it. But this stuff is so addictive, y'all. Now, if you are a diabetic, be very careful in the amount that you're eating, because this is nothing but pure sugar. I can go through the whole thing and be ready to crash just about. But it's so addictive. Now, you can make this in whatever flavor you want. I like vanilla. I don't really care for the chocolate. But a lot of people make this in chocolate and peanut butter. Vanilla is the only way I like it. But you can add cherry or any other type of flavor with this, and it'll be good to your taste, I guess. Stirring for at least 6 minutes. So see how thick it is? It's time for me to put the marshmallows. Okay, I done made a little mess here. I was trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. It's getting hard already, as you can see. I added the marshmallows, and so now I gotta add the vanilla. I gotta keep stirring. I gotta hurry up and put this in and transfer it over to the pan so that it get hard. Go ahead and add the walnuts in. And just keep stirring. My pot going all over the place. Got it in the pan, just spread it out. Now you could put this in the freezer to let it cool off and get hard, or you could just let it sit out. Now if you put it in the freezer, it might cool off a little quicker. I noticed this is getting hard real fast. I ain't never had it get hard that fast before. But that's it. Just spread it out, and then my favorite, what I do, I take my spoon and scrape this out, and I lick it down and just wait on this to be ready so I can eat it. But that's your finished result. It's gonna get hard and it's gonna look real nice and pretty. What you can also do is beat it like what I'm doing. That's allowing air to access. It will get hard that way, and just spread it out. All right, I'm all done. Now my fudge is soft. A lot of people like it hard. I like it hard as well, so it could be soft or hard, but this is how mine look. So now it's time to taste it. It's so good, y'all. It's so addictive. Once you try it, you're gonna want to make more and more and more of it. So I'm your local social broker in North Alabama. You mention my fudge and you close on a house with me, I'll make you some. But this is so good. Watch my video. Make it yourself for your family. They'll enjoy it as well. Act on it now.